first Pan-Mediterranean Geotechnical Engineering Conference. How exciting to launch this new series of a regional conference in the presence of past presidents here in Beirut.
Hello everyone, I'm going to the Pan-Mediterranean Conference in March in Lebanon. The program looks very strong and I plan to be there during the 3 days. I look forward to seeing all of you in Beirut.
Hello everyone, I have lovely souvenirs from my first visit to Beirut in 2011, and I strongly believe this second visit in the Pan-Mediterranean Conference will surpass it. Thank you very much for the kind invitation.
Hello everybody. I'm most happy to come back to Lebanon. First I would like to thank the organizers of this first Pan-Mediterranean conference on geotechnical engineering. It's an old dream, I would say, which comes through thanks to all the organizing committee, to President Marc Balouz. Very happy to come back, and I look forward very much to this conference, which surely will be a great success.
Join us. I promise you we will have a presidential panel discussion on stage talking about the past, present and future of our profession. We'll have great technical program with renowned keynote lectures, invited lectures and many oral and poster presentation for 3 days. Of course, don't miss the gala dinner. We'll be out of this world with the Lebanese cuisine, dabke dancers, fireworks, and do not forget to bring your spouses to Beirut. The venue is across the street from Zaytuna Bay with amazing restaurants. We will have touristic tours to Jaita Caves, to Baalbek, where you find the largest man-made rock for construction, and the cedars of Lebanon, which were mentioned 70 times in the Bible. We are waiting for you. Don't miss it.